For nearly 30 years, Alberto Grignolo has truly been a global connector, bringing together healthcare product development professionals from around the world and growing connections between DIA and its stakeholders.
I think at the core is a very high integrity person. People trust him. I think he can keep his confidences, and at the same time, he also shares himself. I mean, I think he's a genuine article.
Number one, innovation.
He has been active in DIA's educational platform, serving on the faculty for the Regulatory Affairs live training courses, delivering many of them in China and Japan. He has also moderated several DIA webinars, served as program chair for DIA's 2007 annual meeting, and has been a member of DIA's board of directors.
I think Alberto personifies many of the ideals that the DIA stands for. It's a commitment to drug development. It's a commitment to a global perspective. There's a networking element to DIA. It's a support and education mission, a training mission that the DIA has, all of which Alberto also shares.
Most recently, Alberto has volunteered his considerable expertise to serve as deputy editor of DIA's digital member magazine. With his leadership, Global Forum has launched with an expanded editorial board, new content, and a new format. For his dedication to advancing the exchange of knowledge and fostering global collaboration within the industry, please join us as we honor Alberto Grignolo.